forgot. We just saved an airplane for the last video where Mia died.
Yeah,
But something's gonna happen to the president airplane. Let's find out. Okay, guys. So this is the we have to go to gate B. So wait, why I'm sitting too? Oi. Oh, Karen just floating. Look at her. She's floating. She's not sitting. Look, she's floating. No. Karen! No! Oh, okay. Thank goodness.
I'm sitting with you.
I'm sitting next to you. I'm sitting in you. You think you sit in my belly?
I'm sitting with you.
Yes, I know. Whoa, there's too much people here. Oh my god.
You and here.
Wait. Oh, Fadel. Wait, Mia, your one's here. Mia, your one's is here.
This is yours here. Yeah. Where's yours?
Oh, Talia, your one is here. Talia, your one is here, right here. I don't know.
I'm with the baby.
Wait, Nestle, I'm behind you. Wait, what the? Why were you teleported? Okay, Nestle, I'm behind you. Look, I'm behind you. Yay! And Talia is behind us, and now Mia is sitting next to a boy or a girl. I don't know. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm trying to say something to Kaylee. My name is Kaylee. I will be your pilot in this flight.
No, I don't want.
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Okay, Karen, please stop. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Yes, I saved the airplane. Because that monster literally almost killed me. Like last time. Like seriously. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason why we're here.
I don't know to be the cooker.
But oh my god. Alright, enough chatting. Okay, hold up. I forgot to put on a volume again. Oh my gosh. Please find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it. And by the way, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay, all of us sit. And the problem is, and oh my god, why is this person? Okay, and the problem is, there are a freaking silver, not a gold label. Miss. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's like spinning. It's like yoink. It's like
a roller coaster.
Yeah, wait. Okay. Yeah, we just do a barrel roll. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. Bargain to the door! Bargain! I have been informed a president's agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Okay, everyone's barging to the door. Wait, guys, I found a note. Look, not. Oh, not. Okay. Wait, who's this? Wait, guys, is this the agent? Over here. Okay. Wait, what are they talking about? Hello? And remember, no one should know about this. Wait, what? Wait, there's two agents. Did anyone else see that? You guys see that? I see that with my own eyes without the glasses in Roblox. Oh, hello! Welcome to the presidential airplane. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Okay. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions. Well, okay. Let's go. Why is this blocking? Why everybody's barking to the door? Oh, guys, I found another note. It's called he. He not. He not. He. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there's something you must know before that. What is it? Let me guess. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Oh. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. some water in real life, so I don't need one. I wonder what happens if we click it. Wait, oh! Wait, who clicked it? Wait, what? Look at this mess! The president is going to be so mad! Wait, why are everybody's going here? Oh, there's a mop? Oh my god, everybody's working on a mop! Please find something to clean this mess! Or else we will have to lock Mia for the rest of the flight! What the? That's dangerous! Why would you do that to my oldest cousin? Sweet. Oh my god, this is the reason why a glass of water you shouldn't spill on it. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again. I will get the broom and hit the president. Just kidding, no. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. They removed the broom. I thought we were gonna hit the broom with the monster if there's a monster. I don't know. Oh, ooh, magically we teleported. Oh wait, this is. Oh, hello, president. Who are you? Okay, we should. Well, okay. Oh my god, there's too much people. Okay, you know what? Okay, I will sit here. Wait, Mia, sit there. No, I can't sit there. Bill, that big. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, why are you sitting here? I'm sitting here, boy. Get out. So, I'm sorry. Yes, they have it. Get away, I'm sitting here. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. I am the president of the Roblox States. Of course you are president. Because you have a suit. You must know you are heroes for this nation. Ah. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Oh, okay. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. Guys, I think we should sit back here. There's someone blocking me. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane! Okay, I don't think that's a good president, you know? We will take care of him, Mr. President. Okay. I hope we don't cook something. I hope we don't Karen, you look like a great chef. But Mr. President, I have never. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Wow. Okay. Karen, wish you luck. Wish you luck. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the mirror. Come on, let's take a look at the mirror. Honestly, I will tell you the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. Okay, wish you luck, okay? Wish you luck. Okay. If you grab the wrong ingredients, throw it in the trash can. But be quick. Okay. Are you ready? Time to cook. Time to cook, agent. Okay. The soup needs fish. Okay, Karen, you did a good job. Yes, that's a fish. The soup needs pepper. Oh my god. Honestly, so stressed. Probably. Totally so stressed. Apple? Wait, why would you put a fish, pepper, and apple? What kind of soup is this? Egg, what the? Why would you put a fruit and then you put a wait? Vegetable. Yeah, the soup needs fish again. We cut fish. We what? They put fish again? Yay! We supposed to say that? What? Not yay? I'm laughing crazy. Oh gosh. Okay, good job, Karen. You did not die. Because that. I'm sitting here. We sit here. We saw tall. We saw tall. Well, what kind of soup is this? Okay, first question. Pepper. This is so weird. You put 3 eggs, you put an apple, and you put 2 fish, and then you put a pepper. What kind of ingredients is that? Okay, let's try Karen's special ingredient. Enjoy. I don't know if I'm enjoying this. I I cannot grab my hand because it's Roblox. Am I lagging? Oh, never mind. I thought I'm lagging. That is a delicious meal. We hope you enjoy the soup. Yeah, totally didn't throw up. President had to leave early. He should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Presidential suite. Please follow the path to the computer room. Hey, we're gonna be a smart kid. Wait, where's the agent again? Oh yeah, there's the agent. Okay. Talia, you went the wrong way. Hey, wait, how did the agent? Why there's two agents? They are one day. They are one day. Welcome to the computer room. Oh my God, there's too much people. How are we gonna fit for this? It's okay. We use this room to protect cybernetic attack on the system. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. Okay. Come on. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Oh. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Wait, what? Good luck, hackers. Wait, guys. The screen. Red. Okay. Red. Yes, let's go. Wow, we really need to work in that code. Wait, guys, I got a note. Oh my God. We meet in the president in the next room. Okay, Nestle. Oh, okay, thank God.
you.
Okay, Karen. Oh my God, I don't know why I likely to say Karen's name, which is Nestle. It's much more comfortable. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. Oh, no problem. We totally did not. We are not mad. I had to get everything ready. I have a bad feeling about this. Yeah. Anyways, that's our very special guest. I will let you sleep in the presidential bed. Yeah, let's go. I wonder how the bed look like. For some reason, I can't find the keys. What? Can't you look for them? They should be. Oh wait. Oh, just for around this room. I found it. Oh no. People. Oh, there's a key right here. Great. Let's open the door then. Okay. Open the door, not open that the pilot. Go everything with the. Oh, guys, there's another note. Him. Who is him? Who is him? This is where you will be spending the night. How is this people gonna fit? I hope there's room for everyone. Yeah, totally not, mister. I'll give you time to get coffee. Karen la secretary so that there's space for Talia and Mia. I'm just gonna sleep at the cabinet. Nighty night. Why you sound like a pig? Let's sleep tight. Okay. Am I lagging or am I not? I think all of us should go to. Oh, never mind. Phew.